Hi everyone, welcome to Inspire Thoughtful Thoughts, where I share tips and tricks on how to live a happier and healthier life. Today I want to talk to you about the amazing benefits of meditation for your mind and body. Meditation is a practice that involves focusing your attention on your breath, a mantra, or an object, and letting go of distracting thoughts and emotions. Meditation can help you improve your mood, concentration, memory, creativity, and happiness. Here are some of the benefits of meditation that you should know. Meditation reduces stress and anxiety. Studies have shown that meditation can lower the levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, in your body. Meditation can also help you cope with negative emotions and calm your nervous system. Meditation enhances brain function. Studies have shown that meditation can increase the gray matter in your brain, which is responsible for learning, memory, and cognition. Meditation can also boost your brain's neuroplasticity, which is the ability to adapt and change. Meditation improves physical health. Studies have shown that meditation can lower blood pressure, heart rate, inflammation, and pain. Meditation can also strengthen your immune system and prevent diseases. Meditation promotes happiness and well-being. Studies have shown that meditation can increase the levels of serotonin, dopamine, and endorphins in your brain. These are the neurotransmitters that make you feel happy, motivated, and satisfied. As you can see, meditation is a powerful tool that can transform your life in many ways. If you want to start meditating today, here are some tips. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Set a timer for 10 minutes or more. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position. Close your eyes or gaze softly at a point in front of you. Breathe deeply and slowly through your nose. Focus on your breath or repeat a word or phrase in your mind. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your focus. When the timer goes off, open your eyes and stretch. That's it. You have just completed a meditation session. Try to do this every day for at least 10 minutes and see how it affects your life. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what you think about meditation or if you have any questions. Also follow me on Instagram at yzmites12. Thank you for watching and Inspire Thoughtful Thoughts. See you next time.